In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Wix website into HTML. Now, it's important to know that there isn't a standard method to directly convert a Wix site into HTML, but today I'll guide you through a workaround that you might find quite useful. Essentially, what we'll be doing is creating a new HTML homepage using an AI tool and then testing it out with an online editor. To start with, head over to ChatGPT, a powerful AI text generator. You'll want to access ChatGPT and type in a clear prompt. Create me a professional homepage in HTML for a website. This command tells ChatGPT to generate the HTML code you need, and it typically only takes moments for it to do this. Sit back and watch as ChatGPT works its magic, producing a fully coded HTML homepage based on standard templates it has been trained on. Once the HTML code is generated, your next step is to copy it. Make sure you've selected all the text that ChatGPT has provided. This is your custom-made homepage in raw HTML code. This is a crucial step to moving forward with your new homepage setup. Now, with your HTML code copied, navigate to a website called Pencode. Pencode is a valuable online tool that allows you to preview and edit HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a convenient browser-based interface. Once on the site, find the input area where you can paste your HTML code. Paste the code you copied from ChatGPT right into this section. After pasting your code, you'll immediately see the structure of your new homepage come to life. This online environment allows you to visualize how the HTML renders in a browser setting. It's an incredibly useful tool for making quick adjustments and seeing live results. Here's a tip. If you want to add more styling to your new homepage, Pencode also supports additional languages like CSS and JavaScript. You can experiment with these to fine-tune the design and functionalities of your website even further. For instance, CSS can dramatically enhance the visual appeal, while JavaScript can add dynamic elements to your site. And that, my friends, is it. By following these steps, you've essentially bypassed the difficulty of extracting HTML directly from Wix by creating a brand new homepage through innovative tools and techniques. While it isn't a direct conversion, you've learned how to craft something unique while gaining new skills in HTML and web design. Play around with the codes, experiment with new designs, and enjoy the process of creating your very own web page from scratch. It's a great entry into web development, and who knows, it might even spark a newfound passion for coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.